Welcome to Avsar, your ultimate cashback companion. Today, I'm excited to introduce an amazing offer from Happy Fares, India's favorite app for pocket-friendly flight bookings. If you're planning a trip and want to save big, you're in the right place. Now, here's where it gets even better. When you engage with the Happy Fares offer through Avsar, you can earn rewards at every milestone. If you're booking a domestic flight, you can earn up to 998 coins. And for those of you flying internationally, there are up to 1330 coins up for grabs. These coins are a great way to add to your savings, making your travel even more affordable. Please note, the reward amount is subject to change. Please open the app and check the reward for today. This offer is perfect for anyone aged 21 and above, anywhere in India. Now let's walk through the steps to get started and complete the Happy Fares offer through Avsar. Start by opening the Avsar app and heading to the search bar. Type Happy Fares to locate the offer quickly. And once you find it, go ahead and open it. Once you're there, tap on the Share button. You'll have the option to share via image plus text or text only. Choose your preferred option. Then share the link through your favorite social media or messaging apps. Now let's walk through the process of booking the flight through Happy Fares. Start by following the link you've shared or received. This will direct you to the Happy Fares website. Once there, you'll be prompted to select your travel details. Begin by choosing your departure location. For example, if you're flying from Guwahati, select it as your starting point. Next, choose your destination, where you want to travel to. After that, pick your departure date. It's also important to specify the number of passengers traveling. You'll need to indicate how many adults, children, and infants are in your group. Then, decide on the class you prefer, whether it's economy, business, premium economy, or first class. Once you've filled in these details, click on Search Flight to see your options. You will now be presented with a list of flights that match your criteria. Browse through the options and select the flight that best suits your schedule and budget. Click on your preferred choice to proceed. Carefully review the flight itinerary details provided. If you have a promo code, apply it to enjoy additional discounts. Make sure to verify your contact information and mobile number to ensure everything is correct. Fill in your travel details, including your title, first name, and last name. If you need any additional perks or upgrades with your fare, check those options now. Click on Proceed to move to the next step. If you'd like the convenience of web check-in and receiving your boarding pass online, tick the option to add web check-in. Review all the add-ons available and select the ones you want. Then click Proceed again. Check the payment details and confirm the total fare. Choose your preferred mode of payment and click Proceed. Finally, review your booking one last time and click Book Now to finalize your reservation. You'll be redirected to choose your preferred app for UPI payment. Once you select your app, you'll be directed to make the payment. Complete the payment process to finish booking your tickets. Now, head back to the Avsar app and check the My Activity section to find your shares, clicks, and transactions. You can also monitor your Avsar points and balance after the user completes the booking process. Experience the ease of booking with Happy Fares and the rewards with Avsar. Download the app now and start exploring the fantastic offers available to you.